Hello guys, welcome back again in today's beautiful video. So guys, this is the episode, the number 2 episode of restoring your glory that your partner or your ex has taken away from you while having sex with you. Now, on my first episode, I talked about alligator pepper. How you can use alligator pepper to do that. Yes, alligator pepper also work wonders for such thing. Now, the one that I'm going to tell you today is the thorough bath. Yes, the spiritual bath that you need to bath. Starting from your hair down to your toe. That will also restore that glory by the special grace of God. This spiritual bath, what it does is, one, it restores your lost glory. Second, it destroys whatever they have added in your body that is causing failures as a result of taking away your glory. You know that when your glory is being taken away, you will find it very, very, very difficult to succeed. That is number one. If you're the type that your business was moving, once your glory has been taken away from you, you will see that your business will start crumbling down. Your business will no longer be moving well. You begin to attract unnecessary hatred, unnecessary failures to some things that you know initially you don't fail on those areas. But once your glory has been taken away, you will see it. You will see something. You begin to see failures. You begin to see setbacks. You begin to see all sorts of negative energy in your life. Now, whether you are staying in Nigeria or you are not staying in Nigeria, this particular bath is very important. If you find out that your glory was taken away through sex, through having sex with, should I say, unknown partner spiritually. Yes, you can only know your partner physically, but spiritually you might not know, unless you have the third eyes to know who your partner is spiritually. That is when you can be able to avoid all those things. But if you don't have third eye, you are only seeing that person physically, but you don't know what it is in the spiritual realm. You don't know what his aim is towards you. Now, if you have found out that your glory has been taken away from you through sex, I want you to please try as much as possible to do what? To take this bath. I know that it is not going to be that easy for you, but try harder. Try hard, and I tell you, anywhere your glory has been kept, whether he kept it in an oven, anywhere they have deposited it, or they're using it on a daily basis, by the time you are done with what I'm about to tell you right now, you will see what is going to happen in your life. One, they cannot be able to walk or use that your glory to be enhancing their own glory. And then if you're getting me, so if you're watching me from anywhere in the world, please do this, and you can never regret it by the special grace of God. And your glory shall be restored back by the special grace of God. This is a total cleansing bath that will restore your glory by the special grace of God. So I am going to be introduced to you all these things one by one, and I will also tell you what it does. First, I have some items here which I will be showing you and also tell you how they work. Here I have my St. Michael perfume. This St. Michael perfume is designed to destroy the works, the evil works of the devil. Yes. They said it has been formulated with you in mind to cater for your various needs in all ramification. This is St. Michael perfume. It is used, or it can be used in destroying evil. All right? So you need St. Michael perfume. That is number one. Number two, you need 7/7 perfume. This is 7/7 perfume. 7 powers. This perfume is very strong. This perfume is too strong. This perfume, it destroys evil, it cleanses, and it also does what? It attracts favor. It opens doors. 7/7. That is number 2 ingredient. Now let me start introduce to you the main ingredient. Here I have my miracle leaf. Most of you have this leaf in your compound. This leaf, spiritually, it is a breakthrough leaf. It is a leaf that attracts favor. It is a leaf that attracts mercy of God. It is a leaf that destroyed anything causing delay in your life. This miracle leaf. And this, it is called goatweed. Goatweed leaf. This flower of this leaf is a star brighter. I have made that video on my, I've made a video concerning this goatweed leaf last year on my video, how you can use the flower like this to do what? To brighten up your stars. For those of you that has dark stars, okay? Now, this is the leaf, goatweed. If you know how to use this leaf, you can never lack anything good in your life. This leaf attracts money. This leaf, in fact, open doors of favor. This leaf will make man and woman to love you for who you are. This is the work of this leaf. I just mentioned few of it, but there are so many things that it works for spiritually. Okay, so you also need this leaf. Please, as you're watching this video, please help me and like this video, share, and also be the part of this beautiful family. That is number 2 leaf. The number 3 leaf, which is a spiritual leaf, the ancient leaf, the leaf that our forefathers used and it worked for them, and now it's still working for us in this our own generation. I am talking about ogirishi leaf. In Yoruba, they call it ewe akoko. Why in English they call it what? Can somebody tell me? I've forgotten what it's called in English. Okay, but I'm going to tell you the English name. Yeah, it is called fertility leaf. Okay, so in English it is called fertility leaf. In Igbo it is called ogirishi. Why in Yoruba it is called what? Ewe akoko. So you need this leaf. It's an ancient tree. This leaf is spiritual. In fact, it works almost the same like alligator pepper tree, alligator pepper plants. For those of you who haven't seen alligator pepper plant, maybe I will have to bring it here and then use it to make video. Then you understand, or you will see how alligator pepper plant is. Alligator pepper plant is, okay? So this is ogirishi leaf. This leaf destroy any kind of charm. It brings back your luck by fire, by force. This leaf, open doors of favor. There is no way that you will be using this leaf every day that you'll not be seeing the message of God in your business, okay? So this leaf also is very powerful. It is called ogirishi leaf in Igbo. That is number 3 leaf. The number 4th leaf, it is called, so this leaf, it is called, look at it very well. This leaf, it is called ewe lakbalakba, okay? Lakbalakba, there is the lakbalakba, the green one, ewe lakbalakba, okay? So look at it very well here. So this leaf, I love using this leaf to pan soap. This leaf is a star brighter. This leaf destroy any type of cobwebs holding you back. This leaf can also restore your glory back, your star back, and it will begin to make things to work fast. Things to begin to move fast in your life when you are using this leaf. So it has a lot of spiritual benefit, but I just mention just few of it because of my time. I am almost 10 minutes on this video. Then you also need our shower and shop leaf. A lot of you don't know that shower and shop has spiritual benefits. Now, one of the spiritual benefits of shower and shop mostly is what? Mercy of God, to see favor, to obtain favor from God Almighty in heaven. This is what shower and shop leaf does. Okay, so it also has a lot of spiritual benefit, but I just mentioned only one, which we are going to be using in this part. Okay, so you need shower and shop leaf. So this leaf, I know somebody will be asking, must it be fresh? It must not be fresh, it can be dry. If you can be able to dry it, good and fine. Now, we also have another leaf. This leaf here, it is called Ewe Lakpa Lakpa, the red one. Okay, can you see it has seed? Okay, it's almost the same with the brother. Okay, so these are the leaves that we are going to be using in this bath. And the king is bitter leaf leaf. This is the bitter leaf. Bitter leaf destroy negative energy. Bitter leaves remove any negative hand, anything at all in your life that has been causing blockage. Incorporate bitter leaf in your bed and you will see wonders of God. Now, I have my pericase. This is pericase, so you need one pericase. Then you need your Ghana black soap. Then you need native egg. If you have spiritual eyes, you will understand this recipe. You will understand all this leaf, how it works for. You will know that this leaf is not, in fact, this bed is not going to be that easy. It is a bed that must, when I mean must, that must bring back your destiny wherever they have kept it. When you are done betting this, if something has not been working for your life for a very long time, because of your story, your glory being taken away through sex, now do this particular bath. Gather all these ingredients, cut this your pericase, cut it into 4 pieces, put it on the big pot. Now get me this leaf, add those leaves inside your pot. Add those leaves inside your pot, guys, and then fill this with water. Let the water fill it. And after that, boil it. Let it begin to boil. And after boiling, allow it to cool down. Then while cooling, please get your bucket. Okay? Your bucket that it is specifically designed for taking spiritual bath. I've always told you guys that whenever you want to take spiritual bath, always make use of a separate bucket. Okay? So go and get that bucket. Now transfer the water of this leaf in there. Now, this is when you have to come in with your St. Michael perfume. Okay, now drop 7 drops of this St. Michael perfume in that bath. If you're looking for husband, this recipe will make the right suitor to come on your way. There are so many people that are going to come on your way, but after taking this bath, you'll be able to select the rightful one. You're not going to make any mistake. So I said 7 drops of this St. Michael, 7 drops of this 7 power 7 in your bed, in that water. Okay, now break your native egg in there. Okay, break your native egg in there. All right, now do not add that water, extra water again. Take that water in your bathroom, get another bowl, put your leg in there, use your native sponge, and then the black soap. Okay, just cut a little bit of this black soap, use it to start betting. While you're betting, I want you to start making a prayer. Do not ever close mouth, because a closed mouth is a closed destiny. Do not close mouth. while you are making this prayer, begin to make that prayer that anywhere they see your partner or somebody that you don't know, or if whether you know it or you don't, that has kept your destiny, that has taken away your glory, has taken away yourself, that today, as you are battling this, you are commanding your glory to come back to you. You are commanding your star. You are commanding whatever thing that they have injected in your life that make things start to be working in your life. You are commanding them to move and let your glory be restored back in your life. Guys, this video is taking long. Oh, it's going to cost me a lot of data. It is okay. So you make that prayer while you are battling that. Please, while you are battling, bed barefooted, okay? Bed from your hair down. Make sure that the water touch on your hair. If you braid your hair, please lose it if you want to restore your glory, because your glory lies on your head. Lose your head, lose your braided head, and then make sure that the water touch on your head, okay? Bed barefooted, and after bathing, please do not clean your body. Allow the water to dry, and also believe. That is the most important thing. Believe and see your glory coming back to you. I give you this assurance 100% by the special grace of God. I'm going to see how things will begin to work in your life. So now, I know that a lot of people asking, we don't have leave, we don't have all this leave in the country where you are staying. You can get this leaf dry here in Nigeria. We can ship it to you. We can dry it. All this thing I just mentioned, we can ship it down to you. And then for the leaf parts, we can dry it and then send down to you. You package it. We send it down to you. Okay? And you will use it. You understand? Both these two perfumes. But what we cannot ship to you is native egg. You can use your local egg there. So guys, that is just it. All right, so if you need to order for this to send us for us to prepare this ones, all you have to do is chat me on this number 090 5982 5779 090 5982 5779. I am active on WhatsApp. Please chat me up, okay? Now I just want to say this. For those of you who are staying in UK, US, Canada, and you want to get Nigerian food stuff, like you want to get Nigeria food, like raw food, all this garlic, tiger nuts, in fact fish, any type of fish, both panla, all this local fish, please, I do send those things away. All you have to do is to just contact me and we'll package any type of Nigerian food, anything I want us to ship to you at affordable rates, okay? So we'll ship it down to you. All right, so guys, that is just the end of this video for today. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, share, and leave your nice comment section. See you on my next video. Do have a lovely afternoon. Bye.